Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, where we help you navigate the confusing world of corporate finance one document at a time. Today we're diving into a report from GoldMining Inc, which seems to be talking about gold and copper projects. Let's unravel what this means beyond the shiny surface. Before we jump in, if you find value in breaking down these complex corporate reports into plain English, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We also have a great community over on Discord where we discuss these filings in more detail. The link is in the description below, so come join us. Alright, so what we have here is a Form 8, which is basically a report that companies file when something significant happens that shareholders need to know about pretty quickly. Think of it as a company's public announcement system for big news. This particular report is for GoldMining Incorporated. As the name suggests, they are involved in the mining of gold and likely other precious metals. They are incorporated in Nevada and their primary business operations are in Canada for this specific report. Now let's look at what they're registered to trade. GoldMining Incorporated has its common stock listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol USGO, and they also have warrants trading under USGO. Warrants are like options that give you the right to buy stock at a certain price later on. In this case, each warrant can be exercised to buy one share of common stock at an exercise price of $13. The main point of this filing is what they call a Regulation FD disclosure. Regulation FD stands for Fair Disclosure, and it is a rule that requires companies to share important information with everyone at the same time, not just select people. Basically, this filing is an announcement about something newsworthy. So here is the key news. On the 13th of November of 2025, GoldMining Inc. released some news about advancements at their Whistler Gold Copper project. This project is located up in Alaska. This is the core of this 8K filing. They're informing the public about progress on a specific mining project. The filing also points us to exhibits. The most important one here is Exhibit 99.1. This exhibit contains the actual news release from the 13th of November 2025. What this means is that the 8K itself is quite brief. Its primary purpose is to attach and acknowledge this news release as public information. So to understand the actual substance of the announcement, we need to imagine what was in that news release. The filing doesn't contain the financial tables or deep operational details typically found in other CS reports like a 10Q or 10K. This report is signed by Tim Smith, Chief Executive Officer of GoldMining Incorporated. This confirms the company leadership is aware of and endorsing this announcement. Now let's think about what this announcement means for GoldMining Inc, an advancement in a project like the Whistler Gold Copper project in Alaska is usually a good sign. It could mean they've discovered more gold or copper, or that they've figured out a more efficient way to extract it. These advancements can lead to increased investor confidence and potentially a higher stock price. However, without the specifics from the news release, we're left to infer. Alaska is a region known for its rich mineral deposits, but also for its challenging operating environment due to weather and remoteness. Advancements here could point to overcoming some of those hurdles. As an investor or someone watching the markets, you'd want to know what kind of advancements these are. Did they increase the estimated reserves of gold and copper? Did they achieve a breakthrough in exploration drilling indicating a significant discovery? Or is it just operational improvements that might not dramatically change the company's outlook in the short term? The fact that this is filed as an 8 K suggests the company believes this news is significant enough for public disclosure under fair disclosure rules. Given it is a development in a gold-copper project, it could be related to resource estimates or the economic feasibility of extraction. GoldMining Inc, as a company, is likely focused on bringing its projects from exploration to production. Advancements at Whistler mean they are moving forward in that journey. Success in Alaska could pave the way for further investment and expansion. From a Warren Buffett perspective, we'd be looking for any indication of economic moat or sustainable advantage. For a mining company, that often translates to the quality and quantity of their resources and the cost effectiveness of extraction. If the Whistler project's advancements translate into higher grades of ore or lower extraction costs, that is a significant positive. Conversely, if it is just incremental progress without a clear path to profitability or a competitive edge compared to other mining operations, the long-term impact might be limited. So what is the takeaway here? GoldMining Inc is reporting good news about its Alaskan project. This is a positive signal, but the true value of this announcement hinges on the details within that news release. We need to know if these advancements will lead to tangible increases in resource value or profitability. Without further information from the actual news release, it is hard to make a definitive call on the company's future direction based solely on this 8. However, it is a step in the right direction and signals active and potentially successful development of their assets. Now, looking at the overall picture for GoldMining Inc. As a relatively new player or a company focused on development rather than established production, they face inherent risks. Exploration is speculative and market prices for gold and copper can be volatile. Any advancements need to be weighed against these risks. The company's ability to secure financing for further development is also crucial, especially in a capital-intensive industry like mining. In conclusion, US GoldMining Inc. has made a filing to announce positive developments at its Whistler project. While this is encouraging, it is vital for investors to seek out the full news release to understand the magnitude and implications of these advancements. Continued progress in resource discovery and profitable extraction will be key to their long-term success. Alright, that is our breakdown of this US GoldMining Inc. filing. What are your thoughts on the potential of the Whistler project, and what kind of advancements would you be most excited to hear about? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this deep dive helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more regular corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.